Stop scrolling. What you're about to see is not on YouTube, is not on Google, and definitely is not free anywhere else. Toni Iyke and Lingard charge $150 plus for their free full premium forex course. But today I am exposing the exact strategy that make them over $1 million plus monthly and give you access to it for free. This video, make sure you stay to the end of this video. And quick one, don't fast forward this video. Make sure you watch this video to the end. So let's get started. And if you know these guys, then you already know their strategy is top notch. Look at their trade, their lifestyle and results. This is it. It is real and is working 2025. This course break down everything you need to know, like sniper entry, confirmation, risk management, psychology, mentorship, and more. So now let's go through the full breakdown of Toni Iyke and Lingard paid forex strategy. Quick one, I can't put the course on YouTube due to copycat. You understand what I'm trying to say? So I can't post it, but I'm going to be giving you access to it. That's why I say stick to the end of this video. Take your book and pen to annotate things down because it will really help you. So let's get started. So firstly, let's start with Toni Iyke. Toni Iyke focus on smart money concept, that is SMC, and his course type is more of price action, psychology, strategy, execution. So what he covered in this paid course, let me share it with you guys, is how to catch sniper entry on forex currencies and also synthetic indices like volatility 75 index, boom and crash. So, and how to master liquidity gap and institutional zone. So Toni Iyke strategy is more of market structure, advanced market structure. Like if you go through this course, you will love the way he treats market structure, like a layman can understand what he's saying. And also he focus more of liquidity, and his liquidity you use like inducements and some other top-notch stuff. So Toni Iyke, and for a point of interest, he use other blocks and some other stuff. So I'll be giving you access to this stuff. So Toni Iyke flip formula, if you follow his full strategy step by step, you can at the end of the class or the course, you'll be able to flip $20 to $50 to $300 in less than 3 days if you just see 1 to 3 sniper entry trade. Perfect for traders who want to trade synthetic forex currency, strategy work on forex currency and synthetic, and also work for synthetic indices. So for Lingard, I'm going to be showing you guys their profile. They are popular on X and other social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and the like. So Lingard focus on more of pure price action plus entry confirmation. You understand? So his trade type, if you want to become a swing trader or intraday trader, it's still good for scalper trader. Toni Iyke is more of intraday trader and scalping. You understand? Become a scalper trader, and his key topic, he focus on market structure from scratch, sniper entry strategy. You can use on trading commodities like gold, US stocks, and synthetic indices too. So multiple time frame confluence strategy, and how to avoid fake outs and on-spree setup. So he also taught us psychology of smart risk plus account flipping method, how to flip accounts. So his strategy is more of like, if you want to become Lingard flip from life, like flip $50 to $800 with high risk to reward entry, like 1:1 ratio 3, 1 ratio 10. You understand what I'm trying to say? You get. So his strategy is like, if you want to master gold, US stocks, any forex pair and synthetic indices, you can use the strategy for, and mostly effective for people that are trading Exness, Deriv, and volatility. What you are getting in this combo offer, Toni Iyke plus Lingard course, this is a total transformation kit for forex trading. I'm telling you, it's a must get stuff. So make sure you stick to young blood in the financial market, and they're really doing great. Let's kudos to them. Let's clap for them. Like, they're really doing great in the market in that aspect. So they are really trying. So their strategy is somehow similar. So if you understand the two, my brothers and sisters watching this video, I won't lie to you guys, you will see results. You'll be able to flip accounts. So let's go to their profile on X. Let me just search for Toni. So this guy's trade, you can see his followers. Let me bring out the stuff now, so you can see his followers on X. So this guy is really good and flip accounts. Like, I'll be giving you access to this course for free. So make sure you stick to the end of this video. And if you are finding value from this video so far, don't forget to like this video. You can see him always flipping accounts. Like, this guy withdraw. He don't withdraw seriously. So you can see these are real accounts. So this guy is really good. I won't lie to you. Like, and his strategy is beginner friendly. You understand? Beginner friendly. Even though you're a beginner, you'll be able to like just go through his profile before you watching the video. You should not be motivated. He's posted over 1,000 posts, 1K posts on X. And let's check Lingard. So the guy is really trying to Lingard. So he also have up to 13,000 followers. So you can see. So this guy is really good. His strategy is top notch. And he focus on only 4 pairs like gold, GDP, JPY, and USD, JPY too. So you can see. Let's check. These guys have posted a lot of posts. So he charged over $100 plus for his mentorship. But I'm giving you guys access to it, so make sure you stick to the end of the video. So let's continue. This is their profile. You can check them on other social media platforms. So let me be real with you guys. Their course is a must get stuff, especially you want a smart strategy that is not that hard, easy to understand, and can be making some racks, start flipping accounts. This is the right strategy for you. And please don't give up in this Forex journey. Like our YouTube channel's name says, Forex Academy. We're here to help each other grow together. I don't want this perfect. Even me recording this video, I'm not perfect. So for you to have access to this course, reason why I could not post it here on YouTube is because of copyright. Yeah, it's a copycat issue. So there are a lot of stuff you'll be getting based on from Forex Academy. And here is the truth: this video might not be up to a week. Check the description of this video, message me now on WhatsApp or on Telegram. Yes, you watching this video, and make sure you stick to the end part of this video. Is important. I have something for you. Hit that like button if you want more of paid Forex Gurus course for free. Subscribe to this channel because I'll be dropping more full course updates and remaking money strategy soon. And also, if this video hits 300 likes, I'll be dropping a full paid course for free on this channel. Like, that is one of the bonus I'll be giving it to you guys. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. And also join our Telegram community where I drop math plain setup for free. So I could easily say this for $200 plus like they do, but I know how things is hard when you are starting or you've been in the game, you're not making some profit.
These are what you'll be getting in this
full
insane
access to Toni Iyke paid course, value $150. Full Lingard paid strategy, value for $120. And also my personal entry strategy that I've learned so far from different paid Forex Gurus course, access to VIP signal room. Like, this group I'll be giving you access is where I paid some big Forex Guru to have access to their signals, paid signals. I'll be giving you access to it. Free Forex broker security book. And also you have access to join our Zoom class that we do host every Friday, where you meet traders like you, sharing ideas, asking each other questions, grow together, and also share setup to each other. But here's the deal: make sure you like this video, drop a fire comment emoji in the comment section, hit that subscribe like I said, and turn on the bell notification. So first 100 people to DM me on WhatsApp saying I want this 1 million strategy bundle, we have access to it. For you to have access to this full paid Forex course, either you go with the full breakdown I gave to you guys, or you follow this way route. So stick to the end, you can have access to it either of the two ways. So for you to have access to this full course bundle, I just need the first 100 people to message me on WhatsApp saying I want this $1 million strategy bundle. If not, the price might go up, but I'm just leaving it for a token or for free. So make sure you stick to the end of this video. Don't be the guy watching this 3 days later begging for the price to come back. So I'm just leaving it for just $25 with this full bundle I'm giving access to, like premium, and also guide you. Also join my community where you meet traders like you. And this is the course, everything is uploaded. All you just need is data connection to watch the video to the end and get started. So either you get this course instead of charging you $100 for the 2 course. No, I'm bringing it down to as low as $25. Either you get it for $25 or you get it for free by signing up with my recommended broker, either it be Exness or Deriv with my verified partner link, and you get it for free. But note, you must deposit a minimum of $30. You understand? To get the course for free. This is not for lazy traders. This value inside this bundle can literally change your life, and I might delete in the next 48 hours. So don't sleep on it. Guys, I'm not just selling one course. I am giving you this paid strategy that made Toni Iyke and Lingard 7 figures monthly for just $25. You will get everything of Toni Iyke course, full Lingard course, bonus blueprints, entry sheets, VIP signal access, plus support and mentorship. Like, we go live on Zoom every Friday and Sunday, sharing ideas, asking questions, meet traders like you, only for the first 100 serious traders. After that, this price might go up. DM me now on WhatsApp on the screen below or on Telegram, any of the two. So you can either get it for free or you pay $25. Please, if you have trust issue, don't bother DM me on WhatsApp.
I want you watching this video to have access to it. Yes, you. Make sure you DM me on WhatsApp or on Telegram. Firstly, thanks for trusting Forex Academy. Secondly, congratulate yourself for investing yourself, taking the risk to get this course for a token of $25. Like, you don't even want to take this risk, but you take the risk, and I manifest more dollars in our account, and this strategy or this course to help us. And please don't share it for anyone for free. You pay to have access to this two course. Basically, guys, we are starting with Lingard Forex course. I'm going to be uploading after the version. I'll be uploading all his course. This is the course he hosted for his premium class. You have for his premium membership class. That's 4 months ago. Yeah, so it's still valid. So the strategy, everything is perfect. Then followed by Toni Iyke or Toni Iyke, any how you guys call him. I'm going to be uploading his own after. So it's still in the same group. And if you have any question, just hit me up on WhatsApp. So all you need now is book and pen to annotate things down. You understand? Anything else, you have to stay away from it and get your popcorn you enjoy this course. Please you have to show to this course. I want to see you guys win. You understand? I want to see you guys win. I want to see you guys win. So I'm doing this now.
So guys, this is what you'll be getting. These are the course of Lingard. We started with Lingard, as you can see. See. Or the full Lingard course, then Toni Iyke too. Or his course, his fresh course, his new course. So I'm giving you access for just $25 and a lot more exclusive bonus come with it, or not just that. So what are you waiting for? Hit me up on WhatsApp. You can see you have access to this group where everything is uploaded already. All you just need is the book campaign to annotate things down.
I am giving this course for $40, as you can see in the screen, but because we are from YouTube and we are one, that's why I'm just giving all these full. Come on, guys, don't scope past this. If you are seeing this right now, this might be the biggest forex blog you ever get, and it's 100% real. I'm not just giving you a paid forex course for free. I am unlocking you to a secret trader blueprint that no other broker partner is good enough to offer. Here's the deal: if you sign up under my verified partner link for any of these broker you love, either Exness, Deriv, FBS, JustMarkets, or Weltrade, you will instantly unlock exclusive VIP traders bundle. This is what you get: get paid to trade, yes, real passive dollars in your account, lifetime access to the private mentorship group on WhatsApp, weekly premium VIP signals, no fluctuations with thoughts, rebate commission directly to you. You just send us your MT5 account number to any broker, you will receive your commission. Profit even while trading. My one-on-one can do pattern confirmation strategy, VIP level, access to a multiple paid forex group courses for free, chance to win $500 in monthly giveaway, and this at the end of the year bonus. I'm training a craziest forex trader link-up party in Lagos, Nigeria every December. Real life networking, trader flex, free food, games, and cash reward, and life mentorship. All expenses on me. Not just for Nigerians, both international guests are also welcome. Limited slots. Once I out my group access, I'm locking it down. No re-entry, no excuse. DM me on my WhatsApp number +234 90 60 99 03. If I just time me on WhatsApp, message with VIP broker asset. Don't wait till other cash outs and you'll be left behind. 99% of traders will regret skipping this. Be the 1% that adds. So see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment if you have any.